they loving up. That's real, been the shit that they talk about. Oh, damn is the words that come out their mouth.
Hello, it's me, Lal. I hope you're feeling great today. Arigato. Hello, my live streaming. Ayun ako, oh.
Hi ka, hi.
Saan? Hello. We're in Tokyo once again. Hello ka naman. Shinjuku. Pero ang talagang trip na to is for Nagano. So later, magsishinkansen kami. Uy, hello ka naman. First night in Nagano. It's -2 degrees. It's 6 p.m. Probinsya. Walang tao dito. And kailan ginanap yung Winter Olympics dito? Basta naganap ang Winter Olympics dito. Years and years ago. Ayan. Maghahanap kami na kung saan magdi-dinner. And then uwi na because we have a full day tomorrow. My pants are falling. Pakita ka naman. Parang may toge. Parang hindi ko bet. Hindi ko naman.
Ano na-expect mo?
Ha?
May
Wala namang toge lahat ng laman.
lahat ah.
Yung kagabi wala. Good morning! It's our first full day here in Nagano. Can you see? May snow sa ground. Today, we're going to the bus papuntang Hakuba Valley. It's currently -2 degrees. Nakailang layers ako? 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. There's one, another puffer inside, and 2 ultra warm heat techs. From Uniqlo, I got my winter boots on. Merong ultra warm leggings and pants. It's a good day. It's a great sunny day. Malamig lang talaga. Woohoo!
You know, I've read somewhere that when you start enjoying the small moments, like for example, this beautiful winter wonderland view on my tour bus on the way to Nagano, or enjoying the different colors of the sunset on a beach somewhere. Simple moments like this, that's when you know when you're really living.
We're going up the Hakuba Iwatake Gondo lift. Ganda ng kulay ko yata for today's beach. Kasi it's -5 degrees. Hello, we're on the top of Hakuba Valley. Nag-gondola kami, mga 5-minute gondola. And then, pababa na dito yung mga nag-i-ski. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Kung ako nakatira sa may snow na country, marunong siguro akong mag-ski. Katulad ng nakatira tayo sa Pilipinas, marunong ako lumangoy, marunong ako mag-surf, marunong ako mag-wakeboard. Kung dito lang, no, marunong din ako sana. You know, pababa sila dyan. Okay, nilalamig ang ilong ko. Nice! Tapos, dito naman yung mga nag-i-ski na may lift. Saan ba? Makikita nyo ba? Ayun oh. Ay, asan yun? Ayan o, yan. Ayan o, yan. Yan. Ang temperature niya yun. May minus kaya.
Siyempre.
It's snowing. Kita mo? Hindi snow. Kita?
Flurries.
Ano ang plano natin for today? After this, we go back to Nagano. Ano?
Yung lake pa.
Saan yung lake?
Diyan.
Bababa?
Siyempre, may lake pa sa taas.
Pwede. Sa Switzerland. May
Switzerland
lake.
yun.
Yung Lake Bachowski, di ba? My hands are so cold. Meron ako nito. Okay, saan mo kailan mo binili ito?
Okay, do.
So this is 1 year na. It's not so warm anymore. It's cold. Kumakain ng favorite ko ng bum couchel. Ayoko ng melon pan. Ito na ang aking it's a new thing. Ikaw, Dek, anong favorite mo? Melon pan pa rin. Ako itong favorite ko. Boom couchel. We're in Hakuba. Nagano. This is Japan's largest snow resort daw, sabi nila. Kita niyo ba yung flurries? Sana kita. Pero actually, it's snowing. Ganda. Hi ka muna. Hi. We're on top of the Hakuba Valley. Akyat ka dito with a gondola. Usually, yung iba, ski pass dito. Napansin mo kung magkano yung ski pass? 6,000, 1 day pass. Pero kami, sightseeing lang. Ano lang siya, for an adult, 29 yen. So, that's around less than 1,000. And less than 1.5 pesos. Pag sightseeing ka lang, kasi mag-gondola ka pababa. Yung iba, akyat ng gondola, baba, mag-ski. Eh, hindi tayo marunong mag-ski, girl. Going to play in the snow. Kibidi-binding. Kibidi-binding. Sige, doon ka sa may maganda doon, sa malayo. Halo. Tapon ko. 1, 2. Okay. We're in Harakuba.
Anong Harakuba?
Kuba. Naging Kuba.
May pambata lang yun. Huwag ka nang kumingit.
Whoa. Go, girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. If you want to ski, you can rent and hire an instructor pa. Tapos, tapang insurance. We're in the gondola. Dalawa lang kami. Actually, medyo natatakot ako. Oh, chupak. That's the view. Oh, that's the view. But I'm kind of scared. I go. Hello! It's our second full day here in Nagano. Fourth day in Japan. May flurries. Anong oras na, Dek? It's past 7 a.m. Today we're going to the Snow Monkey Forest. And then Matsumoto. Tsaka yung Juku. Ano yung Juku? Parang Harajuku. Parang Takayama Old Town. Okay, so we have now our Snow Monkey Pass, which we've bought from the website itself. Parang one-day unlimited pass siya of the Nagano Dentetsu line and round trip of the Nagade local bus and free admission to the Snow Monkey Park. One-time use lang yung entrance, syempre. Mamaya basa buhok ko nito. Ay, hello ka naman. Hello. Annyeong. We're here at the Snow Monkey. Eh, ano man naman ako? Orient mo naman ako. Anong gagawin? Anong meron di? Anong lugar to?
Hindi ko gidaan.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam. Mamaya mag-research. Basang-basa na ako.
Alam mo, basa na ang hair. Kasi po nang aabutin natin ito. So, wag lang tayong sumemplang. Yun lang ang goal for today's video. Hello! Kita ba? Is it snowing? Can you see the snow? Kita ba? Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Pasko na naman. It's February 1. Snow na yun. Dito na kami sa Snow Monkey something. Pumasok na kami tapos you have to walk like 30 minutes pa hanggang makita yung spring. And then bumili na ako ng beanie kasi it's snowing, walang hood. Bumili din ako ng crampons. Bagay naman. Bagay naman. We're going to the Snow Monkey. Spring ba yan? Nililiguan nila.
Onsen.
Onsen, yeah, spring. Hot spring. Pero nahulog na ako.
Ako mahuhulog na. Sino may huhulugan?
It's the bangin. And these are, ewan ko anong trees to. Hindi ako makaget over sa mahal ng beanie na to. 2,500. So that's like 1,000 pesos.
Mismo ang pinakalagay sa likod. Baliktad pa ito.
Hindi, ayoko talaga makita siya, no? Ano ko?
Kita mo?
Oo. Ganda, oh. Grab ka. Hello! We are in Harajuku. Bakit kanina parang bagay sa akin ng beanie? Bakit parang ngayon mukha na akong hold ups? Sarat. We're here in Old Samurai Town. Malayo siya. It took us siguro more than 2 hours to get here. Parang 2 hours of train. Na, yung limited express train. Tapos another 30 minutes of local train. Pero ang ganda. Na, 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 na. Hello! It's our fourth day here in Nagano. Pabalik na kami ng Tokyo later. So dito lang muna kami sa Nagano town today. Ano yan? Ano yung tawag dito sa kinakain natin? Omayake. We are in front of Zenkoji Temple. Nandito na kami nung unang araw pero we went here gabi. Pero ngayon, para pala siyang Sensoji Temple, yung may Nakamisa Street in front. Ayun siya, may mga stores. We're going to try the apple custard kemeru in front of Sensoji Temple. Mainit, Dek.
Ito? Ito yung kabila. Dito ang laki.
Sarap talaga pag custard. Laki ng kagat mo, ah. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea. If you want to give gifts, di kayo makaisip, try going into Japanese temples. Usually, all temples have like their different charms, talismans. For your work, for your going well, good luck with money, good luck charm. Ano binili mo? For good work? Ha? Ito, oh. For good health and long life. Okay. Hello, we're taking the train Shinkansen back to Tokyo. Mga ano lang to, less than 2 hours. Mga 1 hour and 40 minutes, parang ganun.
You know, I think I'm entering my slow travel era. Less places to see, less places on my itinerary, more presence, more cultural immersion. I think I'm liking this kind of slow travel pacing that I'm having right now. But partly, I think it's because I'm growing old. Haha.
Ano, kumusta yung beef? This is,
ganito.
sabihin mo naman kung magkano.
7,000 yen.
In pesos.
2,800.
Okay na. Once in a while. Ako, tinan mo, may malaking rice. Ano yun? Yung nasa dulo. Ito, may nahanap kami 7,000 yen. Unlimited. Ang sarap. Iba siya. Mga prime cuts talaga. Ganyan siya. Tapos solo namin yung room. Solo namin ang room. Pwede kaming mag-ano dito. Mag-joke eh. Tapos ang bilis maluto. Anong ampul ako? I'm so windburned. O-order lang kayo sa QR code. Tapos darating na siya. Sarap-sarap dito.